happened? Who driving this bus? You better to mess me up.
Cannonball!
Let's go!
Nice smooth start.
Attenzione pickpocket! Attenzione borseggiatrici! Pickpocket!
Are you just gonna sit over there and pout?
Hello? Hello! Are you a dog? Yes! I am also a dog. All right! Yeah! We're dogs! Yeah, we're dogs. We're dogs that live.
Branston, you are not a baby, you are a big boy. What are you doing?
Pregunta muy seria para hacerles si a ustedes les gustan las motos. ¿A vos te gustan? Bueno, esta canción.
Solo tratábamos de quitarle la semilla de Mengo.
Ya, Max, ya. Es por tu bien.
This is how they all escape around here.
I got a dog 2 days ago and she just really noticed Cheeto. He was just out on the window perch and the pup didn't care until I put him away.
No.
Kyle, you are so dirty. Look at your beard, your feet, your little Grinch feet.
Honey, that dog makes you look skinny.
Should I suck it in?
No.
Hey! I am skinny, right? That was rude.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Today, in the Heartwarming challenge, like everyone, like look at you, you kiss Jess, and then like he kissed 4 of the girls. He's actively doing it. Like, you know what I mean? One person called, 2 persons called, 3 persons, 4. I could cut with you.